Mr. Cool Refrigerator is the new addition to the Lee home. He does a good job of keeping things cold. He is clean and shiny, and the most popular guy in the kitchen. Until one day, Mr. Cool Refrigerator started to get worried because he started to have a bad smell. All his kitchen friends started talking about him and did not want to be near him. He started to cry. But wait, there must be something causing the smell. But what could it be? Mr. Cool started looking at his shelves and drawers. It's not the eggs, because eggs don't smell. It's not the milk, because it's sealed in a carton. It's not the honey, because honey smells sweet. It is not the jam, because it's in a jar. It's not the orange, because oranges smell nice. Then Mr. Cool Refrigerator found it. It was a piece of smelly cheese Mr. Lee left from dinner last night. That same night, Mr. Lee ate his cheese, and Mr. Cool Refrigerator smelled no more. He was very happy. His kitchen friends were also happy. Sorry, Mr. Cool, we did not even think it was the cheese. Mr. Cool Refrigerator was back to being Mr. Popular in the kitchen again. A happy ending.